Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to forward a message to yourself in WhatsApp Web. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to easily forward any message to your own account. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your computer and log into your account. Access all your chats to find the message you want to forward. Next, go to the desired chat where the message is located. Scroll through the conversation to locate the specific message you wish to forward. Click on the down arrow icon next to the message and select Forward from the options that appear. A new window will open with a list of your contacts. In the search bar, type You to quickly find your own account. Check the box next to your account to select it as the recipient of the forwarded message. Finally, click on the Send button to forward the message to yourself. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to forward a message to yourself in WhatsApp Web. This can be useful for saving important information or reminders. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.